In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify sold out product issues. If a product on your store is unexpectedly showing as sold out, it usually comes down to inventory settings. I'll walk you through exactly what to check, what each option means, and how to make sure your product shows as available to customers. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, head to products and open the product that's displaying as sold out. If your product has variants like different sizes or colors, make sure you're looking at the specific variant that's out of stock, since inventory is tracked at the variant level. Scroll down to the inventory section. This is where the key settings live. First, look for the option to track quantity. If you want Shopify to manage stock for this product, enable track quantity. With this on, Shopify will automatically reduce the available units as orders come in, helping you avoid overselling. If you prefer not to manage stock counts for this item, you can leave this off, but keep in mind that turning it off effectively tells Shopify not to consider inventory levels for availability. Next, decide whether you want to allow purchases even when the item is out of stock. If that suits your workflow, enable continue selling when out of stock. This is helpful if you accept back orders or have made to order items. Customers will still be able to check out and you can fulfill once inventory is replenished. If you don't want to sell beyond your on-hand quantity, leave this unchecked. Now, update the stock quantity if needed. If you're tracking quantity, make sure the number is above 0 for each location and each variant you intend to sell. Even a quantity of 1 will flip the product from sold out to available. Double check that you're editing the correct variant and location so the changes apply where you expect. When you're done, click Save. It's easy to navigate away and lose changes, so make sure you see the confirmation that your product has been updated. Finally, open your storefront and refresh the product page to confirm the update. If you adjusted the inventory above 0, you should now see the product marked as in stock. If you chose to continue selling when out of stock, the Add to Cart button should be available even with 0 quantity. That's all there is to it. Once these settings are updated, your product will display correctly based on the inventory rules you chose. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.